Thanks for helping us have the best sales year ever. We are continuing our great individual and bundle package deals for as long as possible. Of course, some items may have price changes. Go to carverequipment.com to see lots of customer testimonials, photos, videos, specs, and prices. Don't wait. Call today and take advantage of our great deals for you. Welcoming the fall 2024 harvest season, the distribution center has fresh shipments of balers, mowers, tillers, and more in stock. Take advantage of low sale bargains, order today, and have all the tools you'll need this fall and in 2025. Hi, this is Abigail at Carver Equipment in beautiful Eastern North Carolina. We have a great selection of disc mowers ready to ship out direct to you. If you need replacement parts, our distribution center has full stock and will ship to you right away. Our Farm Maxx brand mowers are made in Italy by Fort-Morra Manufacturing. They have Farm Maxx, Fort, and Morra marketing brands in the U.S. The mowers are very reasonably priced and have earned reputations for having great value, quality controls, dependability, and long service life in the hayfields everywhere. The distribution center in Eastern North Carolina has the best customer service, huge parts stock, and a great history of getting parts out to our customers the same or next day after orders are received. Just call us or send an email. Our owner and CEO, Steve Carver, has over 60 years' experience owning and operating Kubota, Ford, New Holland, and Kioti tractor dealerships. He'll be very pleased to take your call and talk to you about your particular needs and concerns. Just dial 919-902-0522 to his direct number. Call now for a great deal. Take care, and God bless you, your family, and your farm. Welcoming the fall 2024 harvest season, the distribution center has fresh shipments of balers, mowers, tillers, and more in stock. Take advantage of low sale bargains, order today, and have all the tools you'll need this fall and in 2025. Here's hoping you have a healthy and happy fall, harvest, and Christmas season. God bless you and your family.